Hello everybody. This bathroom sink tap has been leaking like that for a very long time. I have a couple videos how to fix this kind of leak. Usually the leaks happen where the coming from the hot water, not the cold. So as you see, it's leaking kind of really slow, and it's easy to fix this in case if the washer, there are rubber washer, need to be replaced. So simply pop up this, comes out like that, and I'll put the link description for the video. So easy to do. And then those are all the style, and they break from time to time, especially when it's a big family house and everybody using it. After, it won't last long and start leaking. So the washer inside here, when you replace it, it should be fixed. But however, this one, I replaced the washer a few times, still leaking. And the reason why, because there are what is called the inside the ring, or the copper is eating out. So when the copper eating out, you need to replace pretty much entire thing, and it just costs a lot of labor and parts and everything, and money and time like that. Very long time, but it's time to replace it and get it done. The best way is maybe just to replace this thing. The best way is maybe to upgrade. This is just the fits the right size, I hope. I'm just gonna remove this old one, install this. Is kind of really simple, easy to use, and this one lasts for a very long time. And pretty much same size, it should fit. And so I'll show you how to remove this and install this one. First of all, we need to do to close those both valve, both of them, like that. Now to double check here to make sure, see, stop the water. So now it's easy to do. So what we need to do, go down here, and you can see here are this one, this net, and this one, two of them. So I'll remove this one first. It's kind of a very small area, and not enough. Okay, so as you see, this one here, easy to remove, just like that. Okay, and then the second one here, same thing. This is kind of a little bit tough. Okay, here we go. We got it. Okay. Okay, now we need to remove those two washers, or the nuts, plastic. So I don't have like specific tools to open this, but this should work. This lock visor, long enough, and it's got a wide open jaw. It should fit, it should do the job. Let's give it a try. So here we go. Just the right stuff to use. Perfect. Let's do this one. Here we go. That's easy. Okay, perfect. Now this one comes easy like that. This is just type of silicone or glue they use, something like that. Okay, and as you see here, this one fits exactly just right. Okay, goes like that, and so easy. Just gonna clean this quickly. This is just razor blades, easy to remove this stuff. And also this is the rubber, which can be removed like that. Put it back here and ready to go. So before, let's do those two first. Now we just want to find the center, just like that. Should be good. You know, this little bit adjustable. Okay, Okay, now we need to look because it's about half inch. You can play with. You see, you can push it that way, bring it this way. So let's, yeah, this should be good, like that. Okay, and then now it's time to tighten them. Like this one, hand tight should be good, you know. But yeah, that's good. Check the washer here. You see this washer? If it's damaged or anything, need to be replaced or something like that. This one looks good, I think. Let's check the other one. Same thing, which is okay. Okay. Hot goes to the hot. Okay, now it's time to tighten it. Not tighten it too much, you know, because you don't need to. Just you feel it like when it's kind of tight enough, and you stop like that. Maybe a little bit more. That should be good. Time to test. Open this one first. Check for any leak. This one and this one. Now you can tell right away if there's any leak. You can feel it right away. You can see it too. But you see, looks really good. Both are open. Perfect. Thank you very much for watching. All the best, and hope to see you next video.